have a TENS machine by Brilnurse. It's a TENS muscle stimulator. Found it on Amazon. This is the AS8011 model, and I'm excited to check it out. Cool, there's a warranty on it. Wow, this is really nice. These are really good for a variety of different things. I think they stimulate the muscles for relaxation, but also I think it kind of like tones the muscles too. So I'm going to show you a few different ways to utilize this. This is going to be where our shock absorbers go, or like the little pulse things. Oh, cool. It comes with an oh, wow. Okay, cool. So this comes with an acupuncture map. Similar benefits to acupuncture treatment. That's so cool. On the back, there's also different like symptoms or whatever you might be dealing with. So let's go ahead and do a therapeutic round. So I chose this area because it's going to stimulate the abs and this area up here. It's pretty stimulating, so I can totally see how this is an ab workout because it feels like I'm laughing. It's like a tickling feeling and it works really well. Also, these pads are super sticky and you can select the intensity on here. And there's even another cord where I could do 2 more. I have 6 on right now. You could do 2 more for 8.